What's in my cleaning caddy? Well, I'm going to show you right now. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am participating in a Cleaning Caddy Challenge. This challenge is hosted by Kimberly Davis from Diva Designing on a Dime. She's getting a little bit nosy. She wants to know what's in our cleaning caddies. And I am willing to show mine, and I am going to check out what other people have shown in theirs. But before we jump into that, I encourage you to subscribe. If you like plan with me, cook with me, clean with me, laundry with me, and health and beauty, you'll love the kind of things I do on this channel. But definitely check out the show notes and the links below, because that's where you'll find information about the products I'm using in today's video. So let's jump into it. This caddy is in my downstairs bathroom. And these are the products that I use when I'm cleaning this particular bathroom down here. When I'm doing my daily swish and swipe in this main bathroom on the first floor of our home, this is what I use. Here's my Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. Mrs. Meyer's Lavender Multi-Surface Spray. I love the scent of lavender, so I like to use it in this bathroom quite a bit. I've also got some Mrs. Meyer's Lavender Dish Soap. Now this is what I put in the holder for my toilet brush. I just make some soapy water in there just to kind of keep it in there on a daily basis. So this is what I put in there. Actually, most of the dishwashing liquid was gone, and I filled it up with water so that I could have a soapy water solution to put in that toilet brush holder. And then of course Windex to clean my mirror in this bathroom. And then when I'm doing my weekly home blessing and I'm cleaning the windows downstairs, this is the bottle that I'll frequently just grab, this bottle of Windex, and just go around. I've also got a sponge in here in case I need it for anything. And then these are the white cloths that I use for cleaning this bathroom. So I keep a couple in here. So my Windex, my toilet bowl cleaner, multi-surface cleaner, and my dishwashing liquid to put in that little toilet bowl holder, as well as my cleaning cloths. And it just lives right down here in the cabinet. Now I keep my upstairs cleaning caddy in this linen closet, and it lives right up here on this shelf. So when I'm going from room to room, all the things that I need to use when I'm cleaning upstairs are in here. I also keep a few other cleaning products in this closet. For example, I've got this, my Minwax, my wood cabinet cleaner. This lives in here. And then I've got extra rows of toilet tissue, and then extra bottles of body wash and different things like that that I use in the bathroom. But for the most part, it's my cleaning caddy that I'm in and out of this closet for. So let's take a look at what's in that. Let's take it into the bathroom so I've got a little bit more room. Now this caddy I picked up from the Grove Collaborative. It cost me about $15. And it's very nice, very cute, and you can organize small things in it. This one I picked up from Target, and I think it was about $12, and it's really very, very practical. It even has a mop bucket that goes along with it, but I didn't buy the bucket. But this is the one, as I showed you, that I keep in my upstairs linen closet. And so what do I have in it? Well, some Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner in the lavender scent. As I told you, I love the lavender scent, so I use this one upstairs as well. My Clorox clean gel for the toilet. And whereas when I do my daily swish and swipe, I usually just use warm soapy water. But on Monday, when I do my weekly home blessing, I gotta put some Clorox in my toilet. I also have this bottle, it's empty, of the Lilac Multi-Surface Spray, just because I didn't want to pitch it. And I thought, well, if I can get some more of this lavender scent, particularly in the concentrate, I would love to have that. So I'm trying to keep this bottle. So it's empty, but I keep it in here. And then again, more lavender dish soap. And I use this again in the bowl that the toilet brush sits in. So that. And then here's my Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day window cleaner. So I use this for all the windows and the glass upstairs. And then the Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile cleaner. So I use this to clean the bathtub and then the shower. I also keep a roll of paper towels in here because sometimes there's things that I might need to clean with the paper towel that I don't want to use my cleaning rags for. So I've always got my white cleaning cloths that I use in the bathrooms. I also have a little cup with some disposable gloves because you just never know what you might get your hands into. And then I've got a couple of toothbrushes that I keep in here for when I need to clean around the sink, maybe underneath the faucet handle or something like that, and then of course a sponge. So that's what lives in this particular one. And like I said, this one lives in the upstairs linen closet. And then the last thing I'll show you is under my kitchen sink. I have cleaning products that I use down there that I might use in the kitchen or in other parts of the house, but I don't keep them in a caddy or a particular container. I just grab them when I need them. So let's take a look. So now we're under my kitchen sink. And over here on this side, I have this little bin here where I keep things in that I use to clean dishes and the stove. So here's some gloves that I might use, which I picked up from the Grove Collaborative when I need to clean some things. My dishwasher pods, and then here I've got my cleansing cream for my smooth top stove, other implements for the smooth top stove, and then I've got my scrubber sponges here, my walnut scouring pads from the Grove Collaborative, and these are just walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges, again from the Grove Collaborative. Over here I've got just some disposable wipes which you can reuse, and I picked these up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be doing a review of these very shortly, but I'm liking what I'm finding with these so far. And then back here I've got some disposable gloves, so I keep those back there in case I need them. And then some other cleansing things are back here, like this is my Clorox kitchen cleaner, so if I use any kind of poultry or meat or something like that on the counter, I can clean up with that. My Keurig cleaner. This is probably some soft scrub, yeah. And then over here, I've got some Comet. My Barkeep's Friend is back there as well. So as you can see, I've got lots of stuff to clean with under here. These are my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaners, but these are the concentrate so that I can refill my little bottles. And dishwashing liquid and hand soap, and here's my counter cleaners. I keep them here. My Caldrea Neroli Sea Salt. This one's the Juniper Mint. And then back here, this is the apple cider vinegar multi-surface spray, and I really like using it, but I got some new stuff, so I just put it back there so that I didn't dispose of it. And then over here on this side, again, more hand soap, and my fire, well, it's not cleaning stuff. And then back here, I've got my wood cleansers. So things like my Old Masters Wood Care, Murphy's Oil Soap, and then of course my Howard Feed and Wax, which I use to clean my kitchen cabinets and other things that are wood. So that's the cleaning products that I have down here. Oh, there's one thing that's missing. I have a bottle of lemon scented ammonia. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, and it lives right here. So there are the things that are under my kitchen sink. It's really not a caddy per se, but unless you want to call it a big caddy. But this is one area where I keep a lot of cleaning products, but mostly for things that I use in the kitchen, or if my husband needs to do the floors, or if he's cleaning something out in the garage, he'll come here and he'll look for items that he can use out there. And as I said, when I'm doing the stove or dishes, I've got those things here. And then just other miscellaneous cleaning products are in this area. Well, there you have it. You've gotten the opportunity to see my 2 bona fide cleaning caddies and then the cleaning supplies that I keep underneath my kitchen sink. So here's the question for you. What do you use to organize your cleaning supplies? Do you have a nice cute little caddy like the one I got from the Grove Collaborative, or the one I picked up from Target, or what? What do you use to organize your cleaning supplies in? Or do you just kind of store them underneath the kitchen sink? Inquiring minds want to know. Tell me about it in the comment section below. Let's get a good conversation going. And once again, I want to thank Kimberly Davis from Diva Designing on her Dime for hosting this challenge. She always hosts the most interesting challenges, and she always puts in a little twist, like we're supposed to add a couple of tips or hacks for house cleaning. So tip number 1 will be, when you're using Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, don't use any other products in that commode at the same time. If you squirt something in that toilet bowl while you've got that Clorox in there, you can create some kind of noxious fumes, also known as a chemical reaction, and you can become quite ill. So if you see me do my swish and swipe and I squirt the toilet bowl cleaner in the bowl, and I might spray some of my multi-surface cleaners on the toilet handle and things like that, I'm making sure that I don't get those products down in the toilet. So make sure that you don't mix cleaning products when you're using a Clorox bleach type product. The second hack would be, do a little something every day. If you do a little cleaning every day, you don't often have to end up in crisis cleaning mode. And you get to pick what it is you do. But if you do a little something every day, then you don't have to spend all weekend cleaning your house. Who wants to do that? So that is it from me. So thank you so much for joining me and watching what's in my cleaning caddy. Now I'm going to check out what's in some of yours. So if you like this video, I ask you to give me a thumbs up by hitting that like button and subscribe. If you like clean with me, cook with me, plan with me, laundry with me, and health and beauty, you will like what I do on this channel. And from time to time, I get involved in fun challenges just like this one. So I would love to have you as a part of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.